last weekend I knew something new was launched at Sephora, so I grabbed my girlfriend and we went down to get these. I've been waiting for it for ages. I didn't want to ship it over from US because I know they will be here. It actually comes in 3 colors, three special My Little Pony set, a black one for Luna and a pink one to represent Pinkie Pie, and then I got the purple one to represent Twilight Sparkle. It's my favorite pony, so how can I miss this? So on the spot, there was this iPad app. You can go onto the website to try out which pony you are so that you know which mask to get. But basically, the 3 masks are the same. They are all the firming treatment masks. It's just that they come in different colors, different glitters, and different fragrance. Of course, this is my favorite, and I did match up to Twilight Sparkle anyway, so that's the one I can't wait to try out the mask and show you the effects, so continue watching on. Okay, I've got my hair bunned up, but let me introduce what's in the set first before I go remove all my makeup and prepare myself for the mask. So basically this is the mask. Super duper cute packaging, and then there are instructions what this mask is about. Basically this is the firming mask. It's actually the same formula as the existing firming mask. It's just that this comes in glitter My Little Pony versions. So when you open it up, hang on, I don't want to break the spokes. So inside you get instructions. You get, how to get this? And you get a little silicone spatula, sticker sets that you can decorate your bottle, but I think I can keep it for my journal. And there's the star. Ta-da! This is it. A top of the firming mask with My Little Pony, Twilight Sparkle everywhere, silver capping, and it still has that My Little Pony logo as well. And let's open it up. So it's sealed and you need to open it up. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Ta-da! It's purpley glitter. Glitter! Okay, it's glitter all over. It smells amazing. I would say a mix of a blueberry. It's just very berry yogurt kind of feel. You know, those mixed berries yogurt. Yeah, this is how it smells. I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna remove my makeup and I'll be back. Okay, so I've got my makeup removed, and this is me with no makeup on, no contouring going on. I just want to see how the effect works because I was told that you can see the firming effect almost immediately after applying the mask. So this is me, double chin and all, and we'll do a comparison later. Okay, I'm all ready for the mask now. I've already cleaned the spatula given. It's a little small. I'm not sure how much I have to go through just to apply it all on my big face, but we'll see how. Okay. So as you can see, it's really gluey and sticky. So I will need to, on the help of mirror, to apply the mask. smells amazing. I'm so hungry now. Oh, what did I do? Oh my god. Ah! Ah! Feels very messy. Okay, from what I've heard is that you need a liberal amount so that it can peel off easily. If you have just a thin streak like this, it will not peel off properly. So I probably have to come back with a second layer. I'll go ahead with the whole face first. Ah! Oh no, I messed it up. Okay, so I kind of got myself glitterified already. Can you see the little glitter bits on me? Okay, it's smelling really good, making me crave for some dessert at this hour, but I'm not gonna do it. But anyway, it's kind of messy because this is what happened to the spatula. And I kind of got like a good percentage of the top gone for my whole face. I would say this is about 1/5 gone already. I'm kind of heart pain because I don't know whether did I put too much, will it peel off properly. If for it to peel off properly I need that much, I'm gonna have a heartache because I paid $88 for this tub. Anyway, it's kind of messy, but I found a way to really scoop it up properly, because if you scoop it this way it won't really stick to the spatula properly. So what you do is you scoop a good amount and then you do the twist, which will get a good amount onto the spatula so they can get onto your face. And so as the mask is set for drying up, for it to firm up my face, I will be playing with my Nintendo Switch and I'll be back. Okay, that was pretty fun. I can feel my whole face tighten up already, and I'm gonna try peeling it off. Let me see here. It's not coming off. Yeah, apply too thin. Oh, I got it. It's already been half an hour, but the layers are not fully dried yet, even when I peel this. So I'm just gonna leave it on a bit longer to let it fully dry before I can peel it off nicely. Cause now I'm getting this gooey bunch, which is not what I see it as advertised. So I'll give it another 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. I feel my face is really tight now. Only this patch is not drying yet because I think I applied it too thick. But I can already start peeling off a bit, so that's what I'm gonna do. I got most of it out. I'm gonna wash my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my face all washed out. Am I glittering? So this is me after the mask. Do I look slimmer? My face look tighter, firmer. I feel really good after this mask. It does feels very moisturizing. I had some dry patches around the nose, which now no more. I'm like glistening here over here, and firming and tightness, I'm not feeling like I'm going like that, but I like the way my skin looks though. It's really smooth, and you know, it's like very moisturized. You know that it's gotten a lot of nutrients, a lot of yeah, goodies into the skin. um Maybe you guys can compare the photos and see whether did I look slimmer. Overall, I love the mask. I'm a huge fan of GlamGlow. I love the exfoliating one. Cause the seaweed chunks just scrubs every dead skin away. That's my favorite. And this, I guess I have to use longer to see whether my skin feels firmer or not. But yeah, I think I look a bit brighter than before. And yeah, I'm loving the effects, but oh, this is $88 a tub. So I have to be very, very careful as to how I use it. It's recommended to use twice a week so that you can get firm, lifted skin, tighten, and it tones your skin for sexy looking and contours. One thing to note is, of course, to be careful of not going too near to your hairline, your eyebrows, because just now there was a bit of a hair tugging area here because I went a bit too near. It was a little painful when I peel, but overall on the whole face, there's no pain at all. I feel amazing, and of course it comes off easily. And as you guys can see, I still have a bit of glitter here and there. But I think this makes for a very good what do you call that? A good base for makeup, because I can feel it's so smooth, and I feel that makeup can last very long. But I doubt you have time to wait around the whole morning for your mask to dry. But this would be good for a night. I think I'm gonna put on my moisturizer. I think everything will be absorbed. Oh, I love the way I'm like having this natural glow and my skin feels so smooth. That's why I think of the GlamGlow My Little Pony Firming Mask. And as I've mentioned, there's two other designs out there, pony out there. The special one is the one with Luna, where it's a black glitter mask and it has star glitters in it. Whereas these two doesn't. The Pinkie Pie one and the Twilight Sparkle one doesn't have. It's just glitter. You guys can go check it out. Do the questionnaire on the website and see which pony you are, and get yourself a tub and try it out. Okay, so I hope you guys like this little review. I'm gonna catch up on my Hong Kong drama. Any fans of Gong Sam Gai out there, hi! I'm gonna catch up on the latest episodes. So see you guys soon. Bye!